Kill him.
Those are mallards. Call it. Oh my god. Let's go.
Kill him.
You guys ready? Just wait.
Kill him. No.
Sit down.
Kill him. North Dakota.
Here they come.
Might have to spin around.
Yep, here they come.
Kill him.
Nice shooting. Right in front, yep.
I got one shot. Get him, boys.
Sorry.
No, you good.
Rainer, drop. Quit doing that. Beautiful bird.
Yeah, they're small ducks.
Kill him.
Mallard.
One's a good duck.
This one's pretty fattened up.
Corn fed. Coming down a little lower.
Ah.
A little bit out of range.
Yep. Yep, right in front. There's 4 of them.
Kill him.
Oh man, I pummeled. I think he got all of it.
Look at the feathers
Look at
still
the feathers
falling.
on that one.
He got away.
Good girl.
Because I know this will.
Good girl. Drop, young Drake. Drop. Go get it. Go get it. We got those ones.
Kill him.
Oh, that other Drake got away.
Get that one.
Probably should have pulled on him. We got enough firepower. I don't think. Oh my gosh.
Kill him.
Woo! That was a far shot there.
Yeah.
I rolled up right there.
Come on. Touch it up. Bring her. Good girl. Drop, drop. Hey. Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Rex, where's the bird? Rex, go get it. Good girl. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Good girl. Good girl. Drop, drop. Dead bird, dead bird. Drop. Hey. Good girl. Woo, woo. Yeah, there's another one right here. Drop. Good girl.
That's a nice greenie there.
Oh, that's a really nice one.
Yeah.
That's as good as they get there.
Pretty ducks.
We could kill them behind us. They're on top of us right now. Still working us.
Yeah, those are good ducks.
They're coming down. Should we kill them here?
Gosh, I don't want to shoot. Get that one right there. I don't want to shoot over your head, man. I was gonna
I just left the Susie.
Well, yeah, that's what I was doing.
Oh my God. That's a triple curl there.
Wow. That's a good duck.
That's a really good duck. They're coming now. I think those are mallards.
They're coming.
Make sure though.
Oh boy.
Those are mallards. They gotta be.
Look good.
Yeah, those are mallards. Call it. Call it.
Oh. We should have shot that one.
That was easy pickings there. That's a Drake mallard, I think. Yep. Nice shot.
First folded that bastard. You ain't gotta tell him twice.
That's a Drake mallard there. Kill that bird.
I knew as soon as he said that, somebody's coming up.
Kill that thing, man.
That was a good shot. I mean, that's shooting range there.
Oh yeah, he was right in there.
And he was with a hen. Take the Drake. That was a good shot though.
Coming down. Some of them are coming
Yeah,
down.
there's one settling down. Watch that. Watch that. Watch it. I'm gonna mark it. I'm gonna mark it.
Boy, he's out there.
He's going in the water.
Let us out.
Oh, sorry.
Get out. Come here, Lucy.
He's way up on
Here.
the hill.
Watch these ducks. I got here.
Oh, we'll just count that one and grab it later. Yeah, sure. If your dog will get it. Bring it here, Roxy. Oh, good girl. Bring her. Bring her. Drop, 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 drop. Oh my God. This one is a stud. Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
That's a really nice widgeon. That's got a lot of green.
Oh my lord. Jonathan, you do this one?
Hey, we need to get in the blind.
Here's another one, boys.
Alright, boys, let's focus on getting our limit.
Channel action. I think it's a hen.
There you go.
Good shot, Joe.
Nice.
I had to make up for that one this morning.
Yeah.
Kill him right there. Nice.
Hey, good shot. You hit that. You hit that
He
bird
was
when
dead
you
after.
Yeah, I seen him there. When you shot, you hit him.
Oh man.
Yep. These
That's
are mallards. Oh, they're working good.
Oh man, they look pretty.
Should we kill them?
Oh man. My legs are twitching on this.
Take them.
Game on! Say so!
I shot. I was only one shot.
No, he shot two.
It's a long ways down. We got the Drake though.
Got a Drake.
That's the one I was on.
Oh yeah, it'll blow through. Dead bird. Crocs draw. Kennel. In your kennel.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
Okay, pass it down the line. Drop. Oh yeah, those are pintails. Oh, here we go, boys.
That one's winged. Oh my gosh, he got away from me.
Hey guys, Austin Roller here with Dvorak Motorsports in Bismarck, North Dakota, a proud supporter of Dakota Fins and Feathers Outdoors. You too could have a great CFMOTO product like the ones you see in their videos by visiting us online at dvorakmotorsports.com.